Are you also thinking that how you can start to speak in English? And do you have to know so many grammatical rules when you are going to speak in English? So, let me tell you, there was no need to learn so many grammatical tenses and the rules because when you want to speak, you just have to start. So, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So, I am Shalini and it is day 3 to learn English with me, and I am very happy or glad that you are connecting with me. So this is my village, as you can see, and please let me know in the comment box that what is your village name. So as I will tell you in the previous video that I will show you my village. So let's go guys. So guys, before that, in today's video, I have one task for you that you have to do. सबसे पहले आप लोगों को क्या करना है? You have to give your introduction and then you have to text it in the comment section and उसको comment करके ज़रूर जाना. So I am going to tell you that how you can introduce yourself. So first of all, start with good morning. You can say good morning. And first of all, you have to greet that thank you for giving me such a great opportunity to introduce myself in front of you. I am Shalini, and here I want to tell you one thing that you can say I am Shalini and you can say my name is Shalini, but you never say myself. It's wrong. So if you are using myself, then you have to exchange it from your English and start to use myself को remove करो and start to say I am Shalini or my name is. So let's continue. I'm Shalini and I hail from village Patalia of district Nainital. You can use here I am from also, and then you have to say that I'm in my early teens, or you can clarify or specify your age. I did not want to clarify my age. That's why you can use like me that I'm in my early teens or my late teens. That's a way. So this is the task for you and you have to comment. So look at guy. This is the view from my village, and in front of my house there was a shop, and there was also a Ramila ground in front of my home. Let me show you. So let's go. So behind me the field you can see that was Ramila ground, and Ramila will conduct it every year in my village, and it's just in front of my house and I just love it. So this is the view, and so many people are asking me in the comment section that how they can improve their English speaking skills. So the thing which I will tell in my previous 2 videos, that the first thing which you have to do, try to speak in English and started to read your books, and you can also listen some English songs. And what I will actually do, and I started to watch the cartoons in English in simple language like Chhota Bheem, and so many people's you watch whenever you are taking meal. So I used to do the same. So on that time when I will taking my meal, then I will fix the cartoon in front of me, and I will change its language and I will watch it in English language, and it was very simple language that you can understand. Or you can listen the song which I will listen first for Ed Sheeran, that was Shape of You, which I personally like. Or whenever you are learning any new word, so you have to do the thing, you have to speak it in your daytime, and you have to use it somewhere because it is very essential, and you need not have to learn so many grammatical rules. Just simply started to speak. You can speak in front of mirror or by talking yourself. Started to give speeches in your school time. It will help you. And if you like my video, so please then like and subscribe to my channel, and must give an introduction in the comment section. I will check. And that's for today, and bye bye. We meet on day 4, and it was a little bit excited. I want to meet to you with someone. Bye.